Okay, here's a quick video on how to set up your Ceramo water softener. First thing is connect the power supply, and we'll get the message F79 come up at the front. That's just the electronics working out what's going on. And there we go, we've changed to the normal display. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to familiarise ourselves with the buttons. You'll find all this in the installation instructions. We've got an up and down button, a menu stroke return button, and a menu confirm button. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is press the menu button. Although I'll just show you this display. It changes if you watch it. Changes to give you different information, like available softened water 2,000 litres. It's in service at the moment. The flow rate is 0 because I'm not using any water. If you're using water in your house, that would display the flow rate. Tells you the settings. It's set on intelligent upflow, which is correct. Okay, let's program the machine. Press the menu button, and then various options are here. First thing we want to do is press the down button and go to set clock. Press the menu button and up comes the clock. Now you can use the up and down buttons to set whatever the correct time of day is where you are. So if it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'd set it for 15. Press the menu button again, and then we would change that to 00. There we go. So that's set for 15 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we'll press OK. So now the time is set. The next thing we need to do is go down to the advanced settings. Here we are in advanced settings, right at the bottom. Press the menu button again, and then go down to where it says residual water, that one. Okay, and then we press the menu button again, and there it says the word capacity 2,000 litres. Now, in with your installation kit, you will have got a hardness test kit, which you need to use to find out your hardness, and then you can use the chart that's also supplied to tell you what your capacity should be set at. So if we wanted to set this for 2,200 litres, for example, we press the up button and the number scrolls up. It speeds up the longer you hold it. So we're on 204, there we go. As usual, scrolled right past it, so we just scroll back down a bit. And here we go. Your capacity may be completely different to this, depending entirely on what your water hardness is, so don't take this as what you should be setting yours for. You need to use the test kit to find out. Okay, so we set the capacity for 2,000 litres or 2,200. Press the menu button, and there we are. We'll just check that by pressing the menu button again. It says 2,200 litres, absolutely fine. So we're all good. Now then, we can use the return button to get back to the original menu. The clock is now displaying the time that we set, and that's it, done. Didn't take very long. What I'll do, I'll just show you a few other things that you might want to know. If we press this menu button again, we can see other bits of information. For example, water used today. Press the menu button, 0 litres. That's because I haven't used any water today. Press the menu button again. Average water use. This will tell you how much water you use a day on average, which is quite useful. Next one down, set gallons or litres. Well, don't touch that, leave it as it is. We set it for litres. And then we've got advanced settings, and you can change the time of regeneration. It's normally factory set to regenerate at 2 AM in the morning, and there it is, 2 AM. You can change that if you want to, but I wouldn't recommend it. The residual water, we've set that. Interval wash, set back wash time, all these other settings, don't change them. They've been set at the factory. They don't need any messing around with, as that could upset the machine. So then we press the menu button again, press the return button, gets us back to the main menu. Everything's set, and it's all done. If the machine is left for any length of time, a few minutes, then it will lock itself. A little icon will come up in the corner here, like a padlock. That will tell you the system is locked, and the reason for that is we don't want people messing around with the settings who don't know what they're doing. So to unlock it, you need to press these two buttons on the right, the up and down buttons, hold them for 5 seconds, that'll unlock it, and then you can go in and make all these changes. Okay, if you get a power cut, when the power's restored, it will remember the time and it will remember all those settings that you set, so you don't need to reset anything. It will be perfectly fine as it is. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.